Labaw ang kuta. Number 19. Ako yawa kayo eh. Pasa, number 26. Dito, number 0. Number 8. Bang! Counted! Wala, counted. Number 14. Bringing the ball. Nice pass. Number 10. Dribble na dribble. Number 26. Wara. Wara. Kana. Siya.
Kuya Uji, pass mo Kuya Uji. Tawag 3. Wala. Rebound by Bunso. Pass to Bunso. Dribbling the ball. Kuya Uji. Kuya Uji. Di-penetrate. Pass to Kuya Warren. Bingit sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Uji. 2 points. Kuya Simini dribbling the ball. Kuya Simini. Nangitag kapasahan. Nangitag kapasahan. Pero wala. Gipasa. Gilusot. Pa-foul. Os foul red. Kuya Warren, dribbling the ball. Pass to Bunso. Bunso, di-penetrate. Yes, 2 points. Bunso. Pass to Kuya. Pass to Kuya. Nilusot si Kuya. Kuya. Pinitsa. Yes, 2 points. Kuya Charlex. Bunso. Bunso. Nilusot. Wala. Gipasa. Oksik. Kuta. Op. Wala. Rebound by Kuya. Bakit kalunod? Wala. Rebound by Kuya Efren. Efren. Gigita-gituan lagi si Efren. Kuya Oji. Dribbling the ball. Kuya Oji. Pass to Kuya Kidit. Di-penetrate Kuya Kidit. Wala. Rebound by Kuya. Nailaw ni Kuya Efren. Pass to Bunso. Bunso. Dribble. Kita kapasahan. Balik Kuya ano. Nakuha ni Bunso. Out rabot si Bunso. Okay, bye. Pass to Kuya Arlan. It's a trace. Wala. Rebound by Kuya. Oh, Rinosot. Drive. Yes. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Kilit. Wala. Rebound. Jump ball. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Kuya Oji. Pass to Kuya Wala. Rebound by Kuya Warren. Itza. Wala. Yabon. Rebound by Kuya Arnold. Onse. Decision red. Bunso in drive. Indreksa. Yes, 2 points. Bunso. Bula. Babak ke nakuha ni Kuya Arnold. Kuya Arnold dribbling the ball. Kuya Arnold pick up ni Bunso. Pass to number 5 di Bunso. Ningin sa 3. Wala. Na-shot. Rebound. Wow, bulas. Dribbling the ball. Pass up to Kuya Warren. Ilaw 3 points Warren. 35-37 in favor of Bonifacio. To Bunso ning drive ning wala. Rebound by Kuya Arnold. Ay, foul number. Dribbling the ball. Kuya Bimbo ning drive gipasa. Wala. Foul. Kuya Bimbo, nagsira og 3. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Simini. Pass to Bunso, number 5, Bunso, ning layup. Yes, 2 points, Bunso. Kuya Oji, dribbling the ball. Kuya Oji, dribbling the ball. Kita kapasahan. Pass to Kuya Bimbo, ning drive. Yes, 2 points, Kuya Bimbo Curato. Kuya Arman, Kuya Simini, Kuya Arnold. Ingrid yes, 2 points, Kuya Arnold. Bunso, yung tagkapasahan, Pasto Kuya Kinit, ang presidente sa Kota San Eagles Club, Guardiadong Kuya Efren, main drive, yes! 2 points, Kuya Kinit, Kuya Efren, Kuya Efren, Kuya Efren. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Oji. Pass to Kuya Warren. Yutuhag 3. 3 points. Score. Pass to Kuya Espinosa. Again, 2 points. Dagan sa Kuya Warren. Kuya Arnold. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Bunso. 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 Linusot. Pass to Kuya Efren. Wala. Rebound by Bunso. Wala. Rebound by Kuya. Pizza. Ay, 2 points. Kuya. Kuya Charles. Pizza. Wala. Warin. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya Arnold. Kuya Arnold. Natain si Kuya Efren. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Abordo. Pass to, kuha ni Kuya Arnold. Kuya Arnold Sumini. Kuya Arnold Sumini. Itsa, kukuha ang Kuya Paul. Pinitay Paul ni Kuya Arlan. Ditiunan, wala. Kuha ba Kuya Bimbo. Pass to Kuya Oji. Kuya Oji, then drive. Yes, 2 points, Kuya Oji. Time.
3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Kuya Warren in drive. Yes, 2 points, Kuya Warren. Bunso, dribbling the ball. Pass to Kuya Arnold. I-timing ang bola. 51-54 ang ato ang score. 51-54 ang ato score. Kuya Chalex. Nakuha ni Kuya Warren. Kuya Warren in drive, in Bunso. Wala, rebound by. Nakuha ni Bunso. Bunso, number 5. Bunso, di pasa ni Kuya Buben. Wala, kakuha si Kuya Buben. Kita ng 3. Wala. Kuya, Bula,